What is up, you guys? Gap City Squad here again. Okay? Every week, every Sunday. I got a new project for us. It's gonna be my first ever one of these cars. And as a lot of you know, the Jetta is down. And for the future, I'm going to be doing the Smith kit. Okay, but I need a shop. I was going to order the Smith kit, but I need a garage where I can do it all at once, because I don't want to do it halfway and then drive around in a half-built project. I want to get it all done. So to take up some time this winter, I got us, I'll just show you guys. Voila. Another Volkswagen, of course. And yes, it is the 1.8. A few things that need to happen first. That airbox has got to go. And this big old fat exhaust, that's got to go. But I mean, look at all this room. We got this snazzy thing right here. Look at that. It's freaking cool. So I could hide my groceries back there for some reason. Yep, this was definitely a very well-maintained vehicle. The timing belt was done at 100,000 miles. And I have all the maintenance paperwork all the way to 2007. You'd be surprised what you can get if you wait for the right car. The car only has 147,000 miles. It's got heated seats. 5-speed manual. It's not the all-wheel drive version though, it's just the front-wheel drive, which all-wheel drive is a pain in the butt to work on. Subscribe right now if you think this is a good project car. And I'm just gonna tell you how much it was, okay? $1,900, okay? That's a pretty damn good deal, okay? I think it's a good deal. Comment down below what you think of the car, and if you would have bought this car for $1,900. Winter is coming, guys, so I'm going to try and record everything I possibly can. So, first things first, I'm going to temporarily cut that exhaust off. I have a few things coming in the mail, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see this car progress from what it is now. And I'm going to let you know some of the things right now that I'm doing to the car. And one of those things is going to be an oil catch can. That's coming in the mail. And an intake. And a downpipe, catless downpipe. So, yeah. I'm going to weld on an exhaust onto this one I'm chopping off right now. I'm just going to chop that off and do a straight pipe out the back. I'm going to keep the resonator. And I think it should sound pretty good. So let's cut that exhaust off right now. Right now I'm going to undo this exhaust hanger. There's one right there and one on the other side. It's a 13mm socket. If you just have an impact gun, it will come out super fast and easy. I highly recommend getting an impact gun. So I got that hanger off, and with the bolts I put them back because I'm probably going to reuse this hanger. Yeah, I'm going to reuse this rubber hanger right here when I put the straight pipe through the back. Now on the very back right here, on the back of this big ass exhaust, there's another hanger. I am going to leave that hanger because I'm going to start chopping it off. Chopping off the exhaust right there. So that's the reason I took the tire off, so that I have better access to the exhaust pipe where I am cutting. So that is cut. I'm going to undo this hanger right here and then pull this exhaust out. And it's out.
Why? 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 Why?
I ordered a catless downpipe. Cutting the exhaust off wasn't good enough. But guess what came early? Downpipe. Let's put it on. Da-da! Okay, let's hear how it sounds.
Where's the key? I'm not getting in there.